Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome browser on a Windows 11 machine. Now, when you first install Windows 11, you'll find out that you're most likely going to just have Microsoft Edge as your browser. But if you prefer to have Google Chrome as your browser, then you can easily install it. So all we have to do is open the browser that we have, which is Microsoft Edge. And then we'll search for Google Chrome download. And then you'll see we have this option here that takes us to google.com. Okay, you can click on this and then just verify that you are seeing www.google.com, and then there's this padlock here or lock. And then once you verify that you are on the correct site, you can click on this download Chrome link here, which is for Windows 11 and 10 64-bit. So click on this, and then up here you should see the download should begin, and it should be a quick download. Once it's done, open your File Explorer, and it should be placed in the downloads folder by default. So check your downloads folder. So there is the file that we downloaded, Chrome setup. We need to double click on this file to install Google Chrome. So double click on that. You'll be prompted if you want to allow this up. So yes. Okay, it's done. We have the shortcut icon here on our desktop. You can pin this to your taskbar. So just right click, pin to taskbar. Now it's pinned. I can close it. If you wanted to make this your default browser, you can open it. Okay, and you'll see here it's prompting you with this option to set it as the default. So you can click set as default. It's gonna go to your settings, and here you have the option to make Google Chrome your default browser. Set default. Okay, and let's close everything and restart it again. And this time you shouldn't be prompted. And there you go. If you have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and click on this and sign into it using this option. And that's all for this video. That's how you can easily install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.